War Day number 798, 798 days ago, almost 800 days. The war started in Ukraine, yes, and it's still continuing. Hello, everyone. Welcome today on a Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, May the 1st, 2024. Yeah, new month. So the first Friday of the month, this Friday we have a speed test. But in today's newspaper we have three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 Stars Sudoku, the 4 Stars Sudoku, and the binary. In this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cijferblok, in Japanese suguru, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will solve these 3 regular puzzles. First one I will do is the 3 Stars Sudoku. The 3 Stars Sudoku, yeah, this one. Let me position the camera first. We have not a lot of space here. Alright, the first one. First one will be number 8459. 8459. Alright, 8459. And before I start, let me zoom this. 8459. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits, yeah. It's indicated with 3 stars, should be a 2 stars, because a 2 stars puzzle has 26 printed digits. For 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve, but it's indicated with 3 stars, and for a 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Alright. Here. Let me see. Something. We have a 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column 3. Only place level 4, it should be here. Then, well, we have here 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, and a 7 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. And look, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. We have a 7 in this big square, no 7 there. So the 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this column for number 5. Alright. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row above, there are only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there we have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 6, 6, 6, 6. Then, let me see, need a 5 here. Well, in this column, first column, we need a 5. These 2 boxes can be 5. We have 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, here, or there. Here, or there. Well, we see our 5 in the last row, so no 5 there. 5 in the row above, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Then, let me see. 1, 1, 4, 4. Need a 6 here. And need a 6 there. Alright. Let me think. How about the one in this column, the one in the last column, so the column between? Only place left for the one. Should be here. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay. How about? They needed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 2 in this big square. Should be here. 2, 2. All right. 1, 1. Need a 9 here. I believe we have a pair here. Well, 3 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 in the middle row could be here, could be there. Now we have a pair. 6 in one of those 2 boxes and the 9 in the middle row. 6 and the 9 in that a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 6, 9 and 6. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. No 1 goes there. Alright, 1, 1. And now, yeah. 2, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5 in this row. 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. Together with the 6, we have a pair. 5 in the 6, 5 in the 6. We have a 5 in the middle column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. So 1 is left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here. Or there, we have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for 8 should be here. Or there, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8, 8, and I need an 8 here. Cannot continue with 8 now. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here also 4 and 7. We have a 9 and a 6. That means we need a 2 here. Yeah. 2 could be here, could be there. Need a 2. Yes. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here we have a 6, here we have a 6. That means we need a 6 in those 2 boxes. 3 in this row, 3 in the third row, so the row between. The second row, the only place left for 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6 and the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes again. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box cannot be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. This box should be 6. Alright. Alright. Then. Let me see. 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, the 3 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then. 1, 1. Need a 1 here or there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this column, no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have 1 in this row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, now only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in that row, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be here. Alright. Let me think. Need 8 here. Yeah. Do we have all the the fives. No. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. Okay. 2, 2, 2. 2 in the last column. 2 in the column next. On that column, the only place level 2 should be there. We have a pair. The 2 and a 4 in the third row. The 2 and a 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places left of the 2 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Alright. So 4 missing numbers now. 6, 5, 9, and the 7. 2, 4, 6, 5, and well. 7. I need an 8 there. 8. Well, in this column, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 3, 7, 8. 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8. And look, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. We have 8 in the row below, no 8 there. The only place left 8 should be there. So the 7 and the 3 are left. What are the other two missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and then 9 goes there. The 9 in this row, the 9 in the last row. So the row between only two places left, and the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left on the 9 should be there. 6 and 9, we have 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. 7 and 6, we have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in this box. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be here. And if eliminated here, the 6, so the 6 goes there. Alright, 1 number left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 7 in the third row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 5 goes there. 9 and the 5. We have a 5 now in the third row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright. So here we have 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 4. In this column, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here, 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. Mark those 2 boxes anyway, the 2, we have a 2 now in this column, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. So the 7 and the 4 are left. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 7 and the 4, we have 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 3 goes there. 7 and the 3, we have a 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 3 and the 6, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we have 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Well, solve it again. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so I'm well pleased with time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.